Friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Shashank. Today's class is about HTML images. Images are used in the web page to improve the appearance of the web page and create the information using the images. Syntax of HTML image as shown below, where img tag is called image tag in HTML page. The attribute src is called source of the image, means it shows the URL of the image. The alt attribute is used to specify the name of the image. It is used if image is not available. Width and height attributes used to specify the size of the image in pixel. Example of the image tag as shown below. Friends, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.